Hi, it's Russell from Speech Recognition Cloud. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use the vocabulary features in Speech Recognition Cloud to improve your dictation accuracy and productivity. Select the Settings cog in the top left corner. That'll open the Options menu, and then select Vocabulary on the left. First, check your transcription model. If you're using the Professional Edition, you'll generally get the best results by selecting Ultra. If you're a doctor and you've subscribed to the Medical Edition, please ensure you've selected Medical Ultra. We regularly introduce new transcription models, so it's worth checking this setting every now and again. Next, check your language. If you're mainly dictating in one language, select it from the list. There's 57 languages at the moment, and that will increase over time. If you use multiple languages, leave it on Auto Detect. Under Custom Vocabulary, you can add up to 500 characters of difficult names, surnames, locations, terminology, acronyms, whatever you like. For example, an Australian user might add a city or a town such as Wagga Wagga, or an acronym like the ATO. Add those. Adding Australian spellings and local terminology can help guide the transcription model towards your regional vocabulary. So, if I was in the UK, I'd add local terms and locations, and that would guide the voice engine towards improving its accuracy around that localized vocabulary. So that's important. You should also tick Use OCR to improve accuracy. This is a built-in Windows feature. It reads relevant names, keywords, and other terms that are displayed in your active window on your screen. It temporarily will add them to your vocabulary. None of this information is stored or shared with an external service, so it's safe to use. Now open Text Replacements. Text replacements work as an advanced vocabulary editor and a shortcut for inserting regularly used text. The alias is what you say. You can enter it phonetically if that helps Speech Recognition Cloud recognize it correctly. The replacement is what appears. So format it and punctuate it exactly as you want it displayed. For example, you could say, my email address. That's what you say, and it will insert your completed email address. And this is also good for acronyms, in other words. For more advanced users, such as doctors, lawyers, or professionals, you could insert an entire phrase. So you could have a keyword to set off the phrase or to engage the phrase, and then the entire text could appear, because that can be a real time saver if you're repeating yourself frequently. The Insert button lets you include Windows functions such as pressing Enter, undoing things, inserting dates and times, or information off your clipboard. That'll improve over time as we add functionality. Finally, select voice commands from the top right area of text replacements. Here you'll find commands for selecting, editing text, undoing changes, cutting, copying, pasting, moving about, similar to legacy dictation programs. We're adding functions all the time, and if you've got a suggestion, email us support@speechrecognition.cloud with your suggestions. Even a few carefully chosen entries and text replacements could make your everyday dictation faster, easier, and more accurate. Thanks for listening, and if you've got any more questions, shoot us an email at speechrecognition.cloud. We look forward to hearing from you.